Hi John, I wanted to make this video and just give a walk around of the car so you'll know everything that's going on with it. The first thing that I wanted to mention is the car really needs to be repainted. It was last painted in 2011 or maybe 2012. I think it was 2011 though, right after I got it. So the paint looks pretty good from a distance, but there are some blemishes, so I'll show you those. When you get up close, you'll be able to see those. So let's get up close here. There's a scrape on the mirror. A couple of chips here in the nose of the car. I guess those are the main. Oh wait, there's one. Yeah, there's a chip here in the back, and then there's another scrape on this side. So those are the big blemishes. The tires are relatively new, have low miles on them, so you won't have to worry about tires for a while. You can see they've got plenty of tread on them. Now, one of the reasons I've been holding off on the paint is because this driver's side door skin needs to be reworked. Basically, fiberglass person needs to kind of rebuild the fiberglass on the inside. You can see how it wobbles here a bit when you pull on it. So I've been wanting to get that fixed, just not sure of you know, a good fiberglass person to take the car to. So I've kind of been holding off. But when that gets done, you know, it may end up affecting the paint, so I would fix that first and then have the car repainted if the door skin matters. You know, certainly you're not going to see it in any video that the door skin is wobbling. One of the things going on with the car is that the power windows operate very slowly. I have new motors to replace them with, so they'll operate faster, but I haven't put them in yet because I figured I would do that when I get the door skins fixed, since, you know, the door skins would be, or the doors would be all pulled apart at that point. So I've been kind of holding off on doing that. So this is the front compartment of the car. The original jack that came with the Fiero. It wasn't with this car, but I was able to find it later and replace it. And then the tire iron is here. So this is the original Fiero engine, the V6, 2.8 liter, slightly smaller than the original Ferrari, which was a 2.9 liter engine. And there's a little bit of storage space here. I've got the spare tire here in the trunk. The car runs really well. The engine is very strong. Another thing that I was working on is this climate control piece. I had it moved into this glove compartment because it's, you know, just so dated and ugly looking. So rather than have it here in the center console, I had it moved to the glove compartment, and I need to do something to have it kind of more secure in there. So I was planning to work on that and then replace the door that covers this little compartment. So this folder is all the receipts for everything that was done on the car. You can see there's a lot. Pretty much everything in the car practically has been replaced at this point. Almost everything is new. It's the original transmission and original engine, but you know, so much of everything else has been replaced. Distributor, alternator, starter, on and on and on. A lot of the suspension has been replaced. New shocks and struts, that sort of thing. And then I have all the original documentation that came with the car when it was new. This also was not with the car when I got it, but I was able to get these booklets later and then keep them with the car. So if you're interested in any of these manuals, I've got all of them that go with the car.